One drop can turn your premium foldable into a costly regret. Today, we're exploring the top 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protective cases to find the options that deliver real protection, style, and everyday confidence. Stay tuned and check the links in the description if you find your perfect match. Let's begin with the number 7 TONGATE Belt Clip. The excitement of owning a powerful foldable phone can disappear instantly when it slips from your hand and heads toward a hard surface. That exact moment is why the TONGATE Belt Clip earns its place among the top choices for Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protection. This case focuses on solving real-world problems with practical features built for people who keep their phones with them everywhere. The rotating removable belt clip creates a secure carrying option for daily commutes, demanding work environments, and outdoor activities where pocket storage is not always convenient. It adds freedom because you can keep your foldable accessible without constantly worrying about accidental drops. Protection continues with the tempered glass screen protector that helps defend the display, while the sliding camera cover protects the camera area from scratches and unexpected contact. The automatic hinge shield is designed to protect the folding mechanism, and the textured grip gives your hands better control during everyday use. Military-grade impact resistance adds another layer of confidence when accidents happen. The built-in hidden kickstand is also a surprisingly useful addition for watching videos, handling video calls, or creating a comfortable viewing angle while working. Compared with slimmer minimalist cases, this design is slightly less pocket-friendly because it prioritizes stronger coverage and carrying flexibility. It is an ideal choice for travelers, active professionals, outdoor users, and anyone who wants serious protection without constantly treating their foldable like a fragile device. Let's kick things off with our number 6 pick, the TORRAS Q3 VegSkin. A great foldable case should protect your phone, but it should also respect the reason you bought a premium device in the first place. Many protective cases add unnecessary bulk and remove the elegant feeling of a foldable smartphone, but the TORRAS Q3 VegSkin takes a different approach. This case stands out in the top 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protective cases because it blends refined style with practical defense. The soft, vegan-inspired silicone leather finish immediately creates a more premium feel in the hand, while helping resist fingerprints, stains, and the everyday marks that can quickly make ordinary cases look worn. The rotating magnetic stand adds versatility, giving you comfortable viewing positions for streaming, video calls, and productivity without making the folded phone feel awkward. Strong magnetic alignment also keeps wireless charging and magnetic accessories simple, creating a smoother daily experience. Underneath the elegant exterior, protection remains a priority, with reinforced hinge coverage, raised camera edges, military-grade drop resistance, and included front screen protectors. The TORRAS Q3 VegSkin feels slimmer and more stylish, although users who need extreme rugged protection may prefer a heavier armored option. This case is perfect for professionals, creators, commuters, and anyone who wants dependable protection while keeping the sleek, premium character of their Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra alive. Every detail feels carefully considered, making everyday interaction with the phone feel more comfortable and enjoyable.
Now let's move to the next contender. At number 5, we have the BULASENGA RFID Blocking. Carrying a foldable phone means carrying more than just technology. For many people, it also means carrying cards, cash, and important personal information every day. That is where the BULASENGA RFID Blocking case brings a different kind of confidence to the top 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protective cases. Instead of only focusing on physical protection, this case is designed for users who want organization and security together in one practical design. The durable PU leather exterior creates a premium appearance, while the shock-absorbing TPU inner shell helps defend against everyday bumps and accidental drops. The reinforced stitching adds durability, and the comfortable grip makes the larger foldable device easier to handle throughout the day. What makes this case unique is the built-in wallet functionality. With 8 card slots, a dedicated cash pocket, magnetic closure, and a convenient kickstand, it reduces the need to carry an additional wallet during work, travel, or daily errands. The RFID blocking feature also adds an extra layer of protection by helping guard your cards against unauthorized scanning, a benefit many traditional slim cases completely overlook. Compared with a simple hard-shell protective case, the BULASENGA design is naturally thicker because it combines phone protection with storage, but that trade-off brings real convenience for the right user. It is especially suitable for professionals, frequent travelers, and anyone who wants their Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra to handle both digital life and everyday essentials in one organized package.
Coming up next at number 4 is the ARMOR GEAR Mouve XTE. Finding the right balance between protection and comfort is one of the biggest challenges when choosing a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra case. Too much armor can make a device feel heavy, while a slim design may leave important areas exposed. Coming in at number 4, the ARMOR GEAR Mouve XTE takes a smarter approach by delivering strong protection without turning your foldable into a bulky piece of equipment. This case is built for users who want confidence during everyday movement, and its feather-light construction helps maintain the natural feel of the phone. The military-grade drop protection, airsoft corners, and raised bezels work together to defend vulnerable edges and surfaces when accidents happen. The fully rotating metal kickstand adds practical flexibility, making it easier to watch content, join calls, or position the phone comfortably for different situations. Its magnetic module also supports MagSafe accessories, Qi charging, magnetic attachments, and Samsung Pay, creating a more connected experience without unnecessary hassle. The open hinge design is another thoughtful feature because it allows smoother folding action compared with some rugged competitors that can feel restrictive. The UAG Mouve XTE offers a more lightweight and flexible experience, although it does require careful adhesive installation and does not focus on the most extreme rugged appearance. With its textured grip and balanced construction, this case is a strong match for commuters, creators, multitaskers, and anyone who wants reliable protection while keeping daily use comfortable and natural. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the SUPCASE Screen Protectors. A premium foldable phone represents a serious investment, and one careless moment can turn that excitement into an expensive repair situation. That is why protection around the display matters so much, and the SUPCASE Screen Protectors option earns a strong position among the top 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protective cases for users who refuse to compromise on screen safety. Many people struggle with choosing between clear visibility and privacy, but this solution addresses that frustration with HD and privacy-tempered glass options, designed for different needs. The 9H hardness rating helps defend against everyday scratches, while the reinforced corners, full hinge coverage, and military-grade drop protection create a stronger shield against unexpected impacts. MagSafe compatibility keeps wireless charging and magnetic accessories convenient, allowing protection without sacrificing modern features. Another useful addition is the built-in ring holder, which works as both a secure grip tool and a kickstand for comfortable viewing during long videos, calls, or hands-free use. Compared with slimmer minimalist cases, this setup does add noticeable bulk, but that extra structure brings better grip and stronger defense for people who prioritize security. It is ideal for commuters, travelers, professionals, and anyone who wants dependable everyday protection while keeping practical features that make their Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra easier to use. Breaking into the top 2, the TORRO Case Compatible takes the number 2 position. A premium foldable phone deserves a case that feels just as refined, but finding that perfect combination of elegance, protection, and everyday practicality is not always easy. Many stylish cases look impressive at first glance, yet they reveal weaknesses when real life begins. The TORRO Case Compatible for the 2026 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra changes that experience by bringing craftsmanship and functionality together in a way that feels genuinely premium. Built with top-grain cowhide leather sourced from respected American tanneries, this case delivers a luxurious touch while maintaining the durability needed for daily use. Every time you pick up the phone, the leather finish creates a more sophisticated feel without losing the practical protection a foldable requires. Precision cutouts keep the cameras, buttons, and charging port easily accessible, so convenience never becomes an afterthought. The hidden magnetic stand adds another layer of usefulness, allowing comfortable viewing whether the phone is folded or completely opened. For users who carry cards and cash, the 3 card slots and dedicated cash compartment reduce the need for an additional wallet, while the soft microfiber lining helps protect the phone's surface from scratches. Compared with rugged plastic cases, the TORRO focuses more on style and everyday elegance rather than maximum impact armor, and the leather material naturally requires a little more care over time. This makes it ideal for professionals, travelers, and anyone who wants their Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra to look as premium as it feels, while still enjoying smart protection and useful features. Few cases combine luxury, organization, and thoughtful design with this level of balance. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Spigen Tough Armor. The moment a foldable phone meets an unexpected drop, you discover whether your case was truly designed for protection or simply designed to look good. Taking the top spot in the top 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protective cases, Spigen Tough Armor stands out because it focuses on the things that matter most in everyday life: dependable protection, comfortable handling, and long-term confidence. Foldable owners often worry about the same problems: hinge damage, loose front coverage, bulky designs, and cases that make the phone harder to enjoy. Spigen addresses those concerns with an upgraded side cover structure that helps prevent front panel separation while maintaining a simpler and more durable construction. The hinge protection design helps shield the folding mechanism, while military-grade drop protection with air cushion technology in all corners adds extra defense against impacts. The experience does not stop at protection. Precise cutouts make every port accessible, and enhanced tactile buttons deliver a satisfying click that keeps daily interactions smooth. Built-in MagSafe compatible magnets create easier attachment with accessories while supporting a more convenient wireless charging experience. Spigen Tough Armor sacrifices a little elegance for stronger impact security and a more rugged feel, but that trade-off makes sense for users who want serious protection. This case is especially suited for commuters, travelers, busy professionals, and anyone who wants to protect an expensive foldable without constantly worrying about every movement. The best protection is the kind you stop thinking about because it simply works in the background. After looking through all 7 options, Spigen Tough Armor takes the winner position because it delivers the strongest overall balance of durability, usability, and everyday protection for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Other cases bring impressive strengths, from TORRO's premium leather craftsmanship and BULASENGA's wallet convenience to TORRAS's elegant design and UAG's lightweight protection. But Spigen combines the most important advantages into one dependable package. Its reinforced hinge coverage, military-grade drop resistance, secure magnetic compatibility, and comfortable everyday design make it a reliable choice for protecting one of the most advanced foldable phones available. So guys, this was our look at the top 7 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra protective cases. If you found the right case for your needs, you can check the links in the description below to explore the latest options and pricing. If this video helped you make a smarter choice, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more detailed tech reviews. Protect your device today, because the right case does more than cover your phone. It protects the experience you paid for.